Dang nabbit, where's my glasses? Oh, there they are. Okay, let's see. June 2021. Wasn't that the year that all hell breaks loose? And I think it was in the Mad Max movie. I can't remember which one, but they said the end of the world was June 2021. Crazed American president attacks Eastern Europe. I gotta watch that movie again. Anyway, folks, this is your old pal Uncle Al, and I'm right, and we're going to have a gas shortage in a few moments. Now, those people in the Midwest didn't hear that the Colonial Pipeline had been cyber attacked. So if you're a truck driver or just a regular Joe in Nebraska, I will run to the gas station and get 5 gallons of gas, put it in your gas tank, or fill up in an extra container. And no, a regular gasoline container for transporting gasoline, because I don't think they're going to be fixing it really soon. Remember, folks, Mad Max, June 2021. Everybody forgets old movies except for crazy old Uncle Al. So I'll catch you later. This one's a short because I forgot what I did with the other paperwork for the 5 phases. Oh, wait, I remember. Phase 6. After phase 5, they take your kids and do something weird to them. I don't know. I think that's phase 7. Phase 6, we get a lot of holes. Sinkholes, dimensional holes, time travel holes. You name it, you're going to see a lot of weird things this summer. Like aliens over the Capitol. Wait, that already happened. Well, anyway, phase 6, holes. Holes in time and space. What do you think I'm holding the shovel for? Okay, phase 7. Phase 7 because, I forget, phase 4, them took over the government. They're initiating their program, phase 7. Organ jackers and harvesters. They're out for blood and organs. Now, a lot of people says, oh, there's no such thing. It's called human trafficking. China's looking for blood, and they're looking for organs, and they're targeting from infants all the way up to 12 years old. And if you kind of notice, a lot of those people at the border aren't old people. They're fits in a certain group because each one has a purpose. Newborns to a 12, organ harvesting for organ jackers and other necessities, what the evil Democrats want to do. From 12 and up, that's human trafficking for slave labor. And they get to vote the country that invited them, the Democrats. Okay? And you wonder why I worry about Mad Max predicting the future. End of America, 2021, June, by President J.B. Well, like I said, it was a movie, so can't prove anything. I like No Blades of Grass, but Mad Max was a pretty good, the 3 Max movie. We'll watch all of them over the weekend, and you tell me if Uncle Alan's kind of wrong. Now, let's see. That was 7, organ harvesting. I keep forgetting of what's going on the border. So that's what's going on at the border. And let's see. I'm trying to remember. Number 8. It's either Moon Mountains or Mountains of the Moon. People are going in the head. Either I think it's field puppet programming and Manchurian candidate programming. So they're going nuts, and I fear for people around the Greater Lakes, they probably get eaten. Cannibals. So I tell a lot of people, go up to the upper peninsula of Michigan, away from the urban centers, because I think Columbus, Ohio is going to be a big target. Here's a hint. You better start programs on homeless people. That's the hint for the future. And that was Mountains of the Moon. Or is it Moon Mountains? I gotta check that. That was number 8. I really forgot what was number 9. That's something important. Oh, aliens, that's right. Phase 9, aliens appear for the next 5 years. A lot of them, if you see the triangle ones, the round ones, the rectangle ones that look like McDonald's, the old double arch kind of McDonald's. I have no idea who designs their spacecraft, but some of them are alien drones, okay? And some of them are like, how can I explain it? What my alien friends used to say. They're sightseeing, like you drive through Safari Land or something, and you throw peanuts and nuts at the animals out the window, and it's fairly safe, but you don't wander off, get attacked by a lion or something. Or you have to roll up your window and turn on air conditioning so lions won't eat you inside the car. Same thing, the ones that are over the Capitol, I forget who's flying over there today. I think it was the Metrons, because it looks like a drop ship. And those things are big, but it could be a drone, because I like pyramids. Anyway, I have a whole bunch of hidden and humorous content. If you look at Uncle Alan Sato, Pinterest, I think. Can't remember. Oh well. Anyway, a lot of aliens. Not illegal aliens, aliens from outer space, from another galaxy, another time, another dimension. Those guys invaded us. I forget. I think it was 2 years ago? It was 2 years ago. December 27, 2019. Yeah, they're already here. 2 billion of them. So we have a whole bunch of people dying from the red dragon. Boo. And yet we have still the same population count. And a lot of places, their population is dropping. So where do these extra people showing up? And if you think Uncle Alan's crazy, you go watch Mad Max and see what's going on in the first part, the introduction of Mad Max. And then you watch the Mad Max movie, then go to Mad Max 2, and then finally, I think it's Thunderdome. I'm not too sure. So anyway, you watch the Mad Max trilogy, have fun. Remember, it all started on June 20th, 2021. In the first, I think it was the first Mad Max movie. Yeah. Yeah, let's see. What was number 10? Phase 10. Oh yeah, Phase 10. 5 tactical nuclear wars. That'll be China versus Taiwan, U.S. versus Eastern Europe, Russia versus Eastern Europe and the U.S., Iran and the U.S. against Israel, which I thought was weird. What else? Oh, China and U.S. versus these evil alien holdings. And I'm kind of, wait, aren't they part of the United States? And why are we the gang of 3? Iran, China, and America. Threat to global environmentalism and also global democracy? Because we're acting like Nazis? I don't know. Oh yeah, and another thing, bonus one. If you watch Falcon and the Winter Soldier, guess who's the new Red Skull? And it ain't Jordan Peterson. The Red Skull, remember, when he transformed to a super soldier, he lost his skin. Alright? And he wears people's skins like you wear a rubber mask, except he's kind of African American now. So smoke that in your pipe. So a lot of people like, what? And I could hear Ray in all the way out to Columbus, Ohio say, no, the Red Skull isn't black. He is now. So you watch Falcon and the Winter Soldier and see what's going on. And I'll catch you later, folks, and you have a nice day. Let's see, is the button off?